Hello. Hello, Jackie. You look nice. Yes, your doorbell isn't working. Yes.
Hey, so I hope it's okay, but the line was really long at Sonic, so I had some of your fries. I hope you don't mind. Anyways, I feel really bad, so here's a sneak peek of my mixtape. Oh! Hey, I really need to pee. Hello? Hey, can I use your bathroom? No. Hey, you're wearing my favorite shirt. Wait. Congratulations, you passed the neighborhood safety test. Your door is locked.